this is a unboxing of the SIRUI. I don't know how to pronounce it, and I'm not going to try. Mobile phone lens. Specifically, the 60 millimeter portrait lens and clip adapter. 60-SA plus MSC-06 black. Name is way too long to be memorable. So I mean, if they were going to redesign it, rename it first thing, why did I do that? And dust has went everywhere from inside here. It does include a case, like the box said. Why didn't I expect one? And it includes a microfiber cloth. So I'm going to test if this lens works on the Moment case. I have never installed a lens on my phone before. That's actually pretty easy, and that goes on really tight. Like nice tight, not kind of... I'm surprised it actually includes a lens cap, and it extends far enough where the lens is protected. When I take a photo now, things are more zoomed in. Yes. Which is actually good if you want to take like long distance stuff. It is actually very heavy, but it is made entirely out of metal and glass. I don't know what type of metal. Too lazy to look up to. I like the included lens cap, and the case is pretty nice. Also, ooh, is there a sticker included? No, just a qualified thing. SIRUI pass. I think it's SIRUI. I don't know. And a cap for the back of the lens that for some reason wasn't on there. This actually does feel like a full-on lens, which it is. So I don't know why I didn't expect it to, but yeah, it's nice. Also includes these little mounts, but I don't think I'll ever use that because it's rubber. Yeah. I'm more going to use it with the case, so you can do what you want. Yeah, there isn't really much to box up again. Especially knowing how it was all in there inside this carrying case thing. Kind of cool. Works as advertised. Pretty easy unboxing. Oh, I didn't. Oh yeah, I thought I'm dumb. Like, why didn't it do wide angle? Because I didn't order the wide angle. Yeah, pretty nice though. And to complete this 3-part series, I'm going to mount did I get it on so easily before? Oh. Just being dumb. This is dumb. Unscrew this. It actually does have a shoe mount, in case you were wondering. This is a hidden shoe mount. Cold shoe mount. And it does fit the Moment case. You do have to watch out for the Bixby button, which I think, can I center? I think I can. If I can, that'd be sick. I think it centered? Yeah, it did. Ooh, but it's on the power button. Honestly, fuck you, Samsung. Why did you do that? Stupid fucking Bixby button. If you had a Pixel or another phone, this would probably go better, but Samsung and their stupid fucking Bixby. You demonetized like it would have ever been demonetized. Just smacked the lens against my desk and didn't damage either. Kinda looks dumb, but I like it. I don't know, that's it.